Good afternoon, Southwest Georgia. It is your neighborhood storm chaser and fellow Skywarn storm spotter, Davis MacArthur. Hope everybody is doing well today and that you guys are staying dry so far. There's not too much going on right now that we need to talk about. Figured I would just get on here like usual. I'm trying to make this more timely here to convey the weather once a week here. I'm sorry I was late today. I had a couple other activities that I had to do prior to coming over here. Alrighty, so today we're looking at, like I said, this is the general Southwest Georgia forecast here. Nothing on here, is word of God. It's just word of Davis, based on observations, predictions, and forecasts obtained through myself and other sources. Um, so today we're looking at and here in America's high of 91, low of 75. Looks like we'll be doing about the same thing tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer. We're expecting some thunderstorms to start developing pretty soon. We'll get into that in just a minute. Chance of rain is pretty likely, so we're just gonna say it's likely. It's probably gonna happen. Um, right now, we have some showers off to the Andersonville, just south of Andersonville, over to the west of us, over in Weston, Parrott area, approaching Preston and all that, getting ready to rain. And up north of us towards Butler, Ideal, Andersonville, we have some showers as well. Down to our south, it's still looking pretty clear until you start getting over to the east coast of Georgia. Looks like over towards Brunswick, Kingsland, and up towards southern Chatham area, southern Savannah metropolitan area, Pembroke, Hinesville, maybe getting some showers over to Jessup as well right now. But other than that, got some other light areas of rain. We're not expecting anything severe here locally today. Today we're just expecting your average afternoon thunderstorms. It is summer. It's gonna happen. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Another thing I want to mention here is if you have family or friends over here into the area that just got impacted, Beaumont, uh, the Bay City, Galveston, Sugarland, Texas, Houston metropolitan area, essentially, and now up towards Louisiana, eastern side and central Louisiana, heading up towards. I can't say all these words. Eastern, eastern, northeastern side of and central Louisiana. Be prepared. You do have a lot of tornado warnings active, many of which have been observed today. Not necessarily right now. I'm not seeing any right now that are saying observed. I'm sure there is one or two, but the hurricane is currently the eye part of it's located just north of um, with the Woodlands, North Cleveland, heading towards Huntsville, Texas, not Alabama. That's the eye of it, but the tornadic part is over on the eastern side and central part of what you call it. So that's over out of our area here. We're really here to talk about this area. Looks like lightning is picking up on that storm just to the northeast of Buena Vista, northwest of Ellaville, Schley County, moving over that way towards Butler. Got about 10 strikes on the radar here as we speak. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at my second monitor over here. Um, and like I say, the storms are starting to get a little more defined, a little more well rounded. So it's going to start raining pretty soon in the area. So just start taking actions accordingly for just normal rainstorms. So right now, like I say, we're not expecting anything severe. Just some thunderstorms and maybe some heavy rainfall at time. Looking on towards Tuesday, we're looking at about the same weather temperature wise. A little less chance of rain. It'll probably pop up some thunderstorms in southwest Georgia. It's just going to happen. But looking down towards Wednesday, once again, looking at a little bit lower lows, but about the same high of 92 with a low of 71. That's on Wednesday. Chance of rain's currently about 25 to 35%. Thursday, looking about once again about the same 94 with a low of 71. Chance of rain is pretty low on Thursday, so Thursday will just be a hot day. It looks like. Hopefully, the humidity will go down. Looking towards our weekend, Friday, we start getting a little more unreliable with the rain chances. But every day in this in throughout the week in the summer, I always tell people expect a thunderstorm. Most likely, there will be a thunderstorm or a rain shower every day of the week somewhere in Southwest Georgia. It's just the summer. It's just how it works around here. You see these towers of clouds just start building. They start as a little normal cumulus and they go to a big old 50,000 foot tall cloud pretty quick. So, like I say, looking towards the weekend here, looking at Friday, high of 95, low of 73. Chance of rain is currently forecast to be 15%. Saturday, Sunday, about the same weather there, high of 97, low of 74. Sunday, high of 97, low of 75. Once again, chance of rain throughout the weekend. I would average it at 20% per day right now. But like I mentioned, it's liable to be more than that. It's liable to rain every day this week. Uh, Thursday looks like I say like the lowest chance. So if you have a lot of outdoor stuff, I would save it till Thursday or do it earlier in the afternoon. Remember, people, this is a little piece of information for everybody. Your storms are going to start building about this time of day. About 1 to 3 o'clock is when the storms really start to ramp up. So even and they're not. This is not organized. Remember, in the summer, this is less organized severe weather or just weather in general. They just start popping up randomly, and they kind of just happen. It may rain like yesterday. I heard it rained a whole bunch in the northern part of the county, but my house we didn't really get all that much. It just wet the ground. So I I'm maybe by air 6 miles from the city limits, not from the city limits, but from the city of Americas. Um, and from the city limits, I'm only about 3 miles. So that's big of a difference just in that just in that short of a range there. Like I say, expect a chance of rain every day. That's the only safe way I know to say it, where you don't make too many plans. And I'm not inaccurate. Just expect it. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If it does, it does. So just making sure that we all understand what to expect with the weather in regards to the next few days here. But other than that, nothing planned or organized for severe weather. The hurricane will remain well outside of Georgia and the effects thereof. So just like I say, continue on as normal. And if we need to get on here and do a briefing, just remember that if it gets rough, I'll be on here anyway. If it starts thundering and lightning and all that craziness, feel free to leave a comment or something. I'll try to respond if I can. And look forward to seeing y'all again pretty soon here. Hope everybody has a great and blessed week. And my prayers are with everybody. And everybody just have a great week.